Very welcome to this Sport Horizon video. We are in Power BI for Sport, and we're going to show you how you can use the bookmark function to show and hide filters. You can of course show and hide something else, but in this case we're going to show you how you can take advantage of this functionality and add that to a logo. So let's imagine we wanted to show or hide this one. It could be other filters, it could be a group of things, it could be an object, it could be anything really. It could be swapping between views, it could be a lot, but I want to show you how you can show and hide some filters. So the first thing we need to do is to come to View and select Bookmark. So we need to show this functionality. And you see here that you can use this one to capture key data, you can modify the view of certain things. So imagine just a bookmark as a snapshot or a screenshot of that's how it looks when you select it. And you can go back to another view, you can select the data, etc. So what we will start with is just add, for example, this one. We'll show filter and we add a hide filter. And what we will do here is just come in to not display the data. So we untick that because when we select this one, I don't want to go back to the way I was displaying the data. Because if I were to edit this one, and I selected the bookmark, I pressed the button where we have the bookmark, it will bring me back to the data view that I had when I initially started this one. So I don't want to affect the data at all. Once you've done that, you can simply add a tiny logo, a image, it could be anything. So if you just add, for example, this one, we do it super simple. We could, instead of searching through the laptop to find a logo, we do like this. Add the style a little bit, it looks horrendous, and we can also modify the text a little bit. We can say show filter as an example. Okay, lovely. Once you've done that, what we need to do is to assign a function to this one. So I want that we have the action on. So select this one, action on, select bookmark and show filter. And the show filter, we need to modify now the view, because now if I hold Control and I select this one, it is activating that function. And what we need to do now is to make sure that we come to View, Selection, and then start to play around with what we would like to display or not display. So in this case, you can see here, if I select this one or this one, you can see how things are showing and hiding. Let's come and find this one, Slicer. So what I would like now is that when we are selecting hide filter, I want this one to be working. So we can update this one. And once we select show filter, then it's working. So let's just maybe duplicate this one. Oh, sorry. Just move it slightly up and in the same place. And we go and modify this visual, and we call story style, and we call this one hide filter. So what we want to do is that when we are selecting this one, hide filter, which is the next one, so we need to come back here, sorry, and then modify this one to hide filter. What we want is that the hide filter and this one is gone. So let's select this one. We select hide and update this one. So that's the view. This is what we want to happen when we're showing this one. And when we select show filter, we want that the actual filter is displaying. So let's say we just place it here just to make it easy. You can modify the layout and everything, and we can select update. So if we now try this one, let's just bring this one to the front. So we have the slicer, just bring it all the way to the front, so that's in front of all of that. If I now select Control, hide filter, then it's hiding. When I select show filter, that is showing. So that is how easily you can play around with the bookmark in order to assign a view. So let's just call this a view. This is the view that you want when you select this one, and this is the view you want when you select this one. Then just assign that view through the action button, bookmark, show and hide filter, and there you go. So show filter and hide filter, that's how easily that can be done. You can play around with showing and hiding these ones as well. I'll just show you quickly. Let's say this one is hide, so let's update. So now when we select show filter, it's showing, and hide filter is hiding. So I hope you found that useful. If you have any ideas on how you use the bookmark that you would like to share or comment, please drop us a comment below how you are using the bookmark feature. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.